It's Thursday. We are here at the very first Good Guys Legends of Hot Rodding show here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's Thursday, a day early, so they're doing the Hot Rod of the Year reliability run here. And you can see it's stacked with cars. There are a ton of folks, a ton of people. This is the largest Hot Rod of the Year that I've ever seen, so it's exciting. But they did open it up to pre-64, so the whole show, and then anybody that's entered in the show can do the reliability run today. But you can see a ton of people, a ton of cars, even a day early. The show is actually tomorrow and Saturday. So we're excited to be here. I'm going to be riding with my buddy Gil in his 55 Chevrolet. We're leading the reliability run, so it'll be interesting to see some cool stops, see who makes it, who doesn't. Alright, I'm here with Gil in his 55 Chevrolet. We are leading the Hot Rod of the Year reliability run. You can see we got some cars back there behind us. And we are headed to the Willis Johnson collection in Franklin. Alright, we made it to the Willis Johnson collection. Alright, we've made it to PowerNation Studios in Franklin. If any of y'all have ever seen Power Block, PowerNation, Music City Trucks, Engine Power, Muscle Car, all that stuff. This car. Good, how are you? What's up, man? Oh, just hanging out. Oh, yeah. All right, we just got done eating a little Mexican joint right near the drag strip. We picked up a bystander off the side of the road here, Karen, which is Gil's wife. And so we're headed to the drag strip. We're going to see if these old cars will turn a tire and see what kind of times they run. All right, look, we made it to the drag strip, Music City Raceway. Some call it Union Hill. They're from here. You see the line of cars behind me. We're walking up here to the driver's meeting. And I guess we can get these cars going down the track. All right, so here we are. We're at the drag strip. Walking here in the water box, about to get these cars staged, lined up, get them down here and see who does the smokiest burnout and who runs down the track fastest. got done at the drag strip and got a ride with Chris. Headed back to the host hotel for the last stop. Pretty cool. This little car is neat because it's actually a local car here. Ricky Bobby's Rod Shop built many years ago, and I remember seeing the car when it was just finished. So it's neat to get to ride in it now with its new owner.
A little bit rougher than it was when Bob Ricky built it.
And you were in Oklahoma?
Yeah.
So yeah, they made the long trip out here from Oklahoma for the show. We're excited to be here. Yeah, here we go. All right, well, it was a long day, but we had great weather, really good time, saw some cool cars, but we are back at the host hotel. They've got a kickoff party tonight, and a bunch of cars already out here hanging out in the parking lot. We're gonna check out. So yeah, we'll see what they got going on this evening.